Hello guys, and welcome to another day with ZIMALETA. In today's video, I'm showing off my seat in the back. I got a 3-seater for my kids a while back, and today I installed it. As you guys know, there's a hurricane coming, and I really didn't have much time to actually make a proper video disassembling all my hard work, all my toolboxes, everything, just to make this work. But tomorrow I will actually rebuild all my toolboxes. I'm going to try to use the same tools that I did, same materials, and rebuild them completely. And I will try to record that video. But as you guys can see, my kids are nice and happy that we finally have a place to sit. That's it. So now I gotta go and get some fuel. Going to take my family out to eat. And that's it. Tomorrow we're probably gonna head out because of the storm and stuff like that. And как круто смотрится, ребята! Вы happy? О, помашите хай всем. Вот. Куда мы едем? К вам Дипот, правильно. А вы знаете, зачем мы туда едем? Новые шурупы купить. Правильно, шурупы называются саморезы. Вот, они нам сейчас очень понадобятся. Правильно. Все правильно говорите. Ну хорошо. Увидимся. So anyways guys, are you ready to see what I have built? Sorry that I didn't put this in a video trying to build, but I'm in a rush trying to build everything before the storm comes. And obviously this is uploaded a little bit later than the storm for obvious reasons. I have an upload schedule, so this is kind of like a little bit, I guess, outside my schedule. Wasn't really planning to do this, but I'm glad that I did. So first of all, I got my seats here. This is the 3-seater original Mercedes. And as you know, I have a 2006 van with dual sliding doors. I am planning to stick a window in there, possibly, I don't know when. I got a foldable bed, which comes down. I use that mattress to lay it down. As you could see, everything is nicely tucked away. This is a just perfect type of mattress. It's memory foam. So slide the bed over. I am taking an extra bed. Of course, we have, you know, like kids could sleep here if they want, or on the mattresses, doesn't really matter. But normally I don't have this extra mattress, but as you can see, it's perfect. What I am planning to do is actually shift this tire over to this location. As you can see, I got it really nicely mounted. In case you're wondering why do I have it like this instead of at the bottom here, and it's because these bolts have completely rusted out. As you can see, they're just like shaking. They don't work anymore, so I would have to replace it and rebuild it. So I'm not gonna mount it at the bottom, and I went ahead and removed the metal rack from underneath. This was done previously. Now, in order for me to install that seat, okay, I had to completely disassemble all my toolboxes because the whole design was towards the back. So basically I could not use anything. I had to come up with a new design, plus something that works like this. I have tried doing this side loading type of shelves from the side of the doors, and I kind of like it. Previously the design was I had lids that would come down, but now it's all stationary. I tried to use I used all my materials that I already had to prevent the cutting and stuff like that, to save on time. So all the stuff that you see here was already pre-cut from a different design. I went ahead and used it. Now the white pieces wasn't in my design. I didn't have any pieces this long. They were in my garage. If you see a bulge there and you're thinking, oh man, how's the load gonna go? Guys, that's actually where the wheel well is. And this is perfectly snug against the wheel well. And I did keep my toolboxes a lot smaller than the wheel well, so they're right up against the wall there. So the clearance is going to be perfect. It's going to be about maybe like 49.5. And I mean, as you can see, this is just like, this is not even a quarter thick. It's like almost like a 1/8 or something, maybe 3/16. But anyways, this is all good. As you can see, this is the way I got my bed done. Once I unhook that little thing, the bed will come down and we'll lay here. It's perfectly over here, right on the edge. Otherwise, it would not fit actually up against the ceiling like that. This is why I have this type of a design. I use greenback board. It's really tough, probably an overkill. And I have basically pressure treated type of wood for my bed and a couple hinges and stuff. Now with this design, I was planning to just make like 2 beds. This is why I mounted a tire over there, so that I could have a bed there and I could have another one right here. This is not going to be the case. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to keep that on the floor because, you know, I don't want too much stuff. But it is a possibility. If I wanted to, I could just have like 2 beds side by side, which would be just fine. And if I would have the tire shifted over, I could technically, I mean, it would not make sense to really have a bed, but it would be good for keeping a second mattress, I guess. Or actually, no, that's not gonna work. But anyways, guys, this is what it is here. As you can see, I could have access to get out, and we're gonna get out this way, and boom. So, and to show you how I mounted this thing, basically, this is how I mounted it. Normally, you would, you know, cut these things out and stick them way down there. But I don't want to do that. This is like a temporary design. Like if I need to ever remove the seats so I could have extra space, I could quickly do that. And I may end up using this in my new Mercedes over there, the 2012 that you could see sticking. So anyways, guys, this is it. You know, so I'm prepared to go ahead and grab my family. And we're just going to head out. We're actually going to do some loads. Initially, we're just going to try to maybe like, I don't know, go to Florida, have a little vacation because it seems like it's going to be clear. But for a while, my kids wanted to go do some loads with me, stuff like that. And I didn't have that seat, so I was kind of like thinking, oh, it's not going to really work out. But while the storm is lasting a little bit, you know, we'll head out really quickly and come back as soon as it quiets down, stuff like that. And my kids is just going to have a blast. And basically, guys, me and my wife used to do this together, so this is completely perfect for my wife. She actually likes to travel, so we'll do that together.